Hi, okay, so today we are going to be doing Chapter 9, Lesson 3. And this is a hands-on lesson to using models to subtract like fractions. And our essential question is, how can I use operations to model real-world fractions? Okay. Now, you probably don't have fraction tiles at home, but remember, you can go in and you can use the models in your online textbook in tools, and you can also go to toytheater.com, which is a great resource that can give you some manipulative fraction tiles that you can use on your computer. So here we're going to go ahead and you can use models to subtract like fractions. Think of subtracting fractions as separating parts that refer to the same whole. Okay, so, and the same with the when we add fractions, we only subtract the numerator, and the denominator always stays the same. Okay, denominator always stays the same. We don't do anything with that. So here we go. Build it. You can do this in your tools. This is what I mean by going into your online, to go into your math book and go to tools, and you can get those manipulatives to move around. So Braden used 4/5 of his coins in the first 2 levels of a video game. He used 1/5 of his coins in the first level. What fraction of his coins did he use in the second level? Okay, so we have to find 4/5 minus 1/5. Okay, so here we go. Here's modeling. We have four units here, 4/5. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, so you can either remove or separate 1/5 from 4/5, however you're going to do it. So subtract 1/5 like we did here. We're just going to simply cross that off. Okay. 4/5 minus 1/5. We're going to count how many are left. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 1/5 fraction tiles left. 4/5 minus 1/5 equals 3/5. So Braden used 3/5 of his coins in the second level. Check using addition. Remember, we can do that because they're opposites. So I'm going to go 3/5 plus 1/5 equals 4/5. Let's go here. Try 7/8 minus 3/8. We're going to model the 7/8. Notice that 7/8 is the sum of 7 unit fractions. So these are 7/8 right here, okay? But this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are each unit fractions. We need to take away, subtract, remove 3/8. So we're just simply going to cross those off right here. Okay? Can separate them, remove, cross them out. Okay, subtract 3/8, that's what we did. Notice that 3/8 is the sum of 3 unit fractions of 1/8. So it's 1, 2, 3. They're just reminding you that a unit fraction is 1, and that the 3 of these is actually, if we added all 3 of these together, the sum would be 3/8. Now let's count the remaining 1/8 tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 remaining 1/8 tiles. So 7/8 minus 3/8 is 4/8. We can't forget, though, that we always want to write our answers in simplest form. So we got to figure out what number would be the largest number that we could divide in to the numerator and to the denominator. It's 4. So I'm going to go 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. So 7/8 minus 3/8 is 1/2. Okay, so how are you going to check to see if this is correct? I'm going to take this, the answer that I got up here, and I'm going to put it down here. 4/8 plus 3/8 equals 7/8. Okay, and let's really think about this. Draw a conclusion. What do you notice about the denominators when subtracting like fractions? I talked to you about this in the beginning. Think addition. What do we do with our denominators?